Hi guys, I'm Asif Ali and you're watching CGHOW video. Today I create this very simple trails using Niagara ribbons and particle sprite in UE5. So let's start this tutorial. So you can see this looks cool, but this is very simple trail and these are multiple emitters. Okay, so if I show you, I have 6 systems here duplicated because if I just move the one, you can see in one I have just one trail, but for the randomness I'm duplicating these and using these as multiple. And you can do that also in your system if you don't want to duplicate in viewport. I'll show you how. So let's create a new map and I'll create a new folder here. And just right click, take a Niagara and take a fountain, and this is your trail effects. So here